Both the markets, that is DFM and ADX, closed positive today. Stalkers, welcome back. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. I'm on the daily chart. In my yesterday's candle, I had mentioned market closed red, but this is still to be considered as positive candle. Reason being, it's right into the resistance area, that is 4,240. Fresh rally has started from 4,185 points after 3 candles. Obviously, market needs a pause. It takes a breather so that it can continue its upside momentum. We are seeing exactly the same scenario here. Check this out. After this move, market took a pause, came down till about 4,215, and from here we are seeing continuation. This is very positive. Overall, market is very bullish. There are very good opportunities. Just in case, if you are interested to join my YouTube membership, you may scan the QR code and join. With today's closing, there are very good chances market is gearing up for next upside momentum. Strong area of resistance is now at 4,290 to 4,300 points. We can see a nice price action. Check this out. Rally has started from 4,030 points. After 2 solid green candles, market took a breather around 4,200 points. That was strong resistance. We did not see any deeper correction. Market just spent around 4 to 5 days here, and then we saw a breakout with this green candle. This was an indication that market is gearing up for an upside momentum. And after 3 green candles, again market took a pause right into the next resistance, that is 4,240 that I had mentioned in my yesterday's video. And with today's positive candle, I'm expecting a continuation. However, in case if market wants to come down for a correction, then we can expect 4,240 to act as a support now. That was previously a resistance. If this does not hold, then obviously 4,220, and then strong support is between this area, that is 4,185 to 4,200 points. Overall, market index is now trending. There are very good opportunities. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Rally has started from 9,160. It's been printing all green candles. So I think when it hits the next area of resistance, that is 4,350 area, if at all it continues its upside momentum directly, most likely we will see a rejection or a pause candle into this resistance zone. Reason is quite simple, because we are seeing bulls are activated from this zone, that is 9,160. Obviously, on the way up, market did not take any breather, so we want market to take a pause or correct itself. It can be done in 2 scenarios. Either market may continue sideways momentum around this area, that is below 9,330 zone. Once we see a tight build up before the resistance, then I'm expecting a stronger momentum to the upside. Or in other scenario, if at all market wants to come down for a correction, 9,280 is support. If this fails, then we have a stronger support at 9,245. In both the scenarios, market will still remain positive. It's just that it will go through a correction phase after this push to the upside, which will be positive. Now the area to watch will be right here, that is 9,350 to 9,400 points. If at all market can break past this zone, then definitely it will be extremely bullish. Then there are very good chances we may see a new high that will even break the resistance of 9,440 area. Overall, ADX market is also positive. I think it should take a breather so that we can expect more upside momentum. This is the daily chart of Presight. It performed very well. I had recommended this stock in my yesterday's video. Check this out. Link is right at the top. Do watch that video. It will help you. Our planned entry or my members entry was right here at around about 2.30. From here we were targeting 2.90 that got achieved today. Second target is very near, that is around 2.50. Today's high was at 2.46, very near to our supply area. There are good chances still it can continue its upside momentum. Fresh entries are not recommended because momentum is already done right from 2.30 area. In case if you are trying to catch it at around 2.42 or 2.45, this is resistance. There are chances it may come down for a correction and you might block your capital. So the best scenario is always to enter at the support or at the breakout so that you can ride the trend. Overall, Presight is positive. I'm expecting a continuation. Whether it goes sideways or comes down for a correction, in both the scenarios it's bullish. One of the best performer in ADX market was Apex. Look at this solid green candle. more than 18 million shares traded in Apex today. Yesterday I had recommended this stock to my members. Our planned entry was right into this area, that is above 1.72. It opened on a positive note. This gives us a good indication there are good chances. Buyers are aggressive. They are buying at any price sellers are offering. And throughout the day we saw continuous upside momentum. Yes, during the day it went sideways for about an hour or so, and then finally we saw a good breakout. It hit our target as well. Our planned area was at 1.90. This is the place where we had booked partial of our profits. I'm expecting more upside momentum. If you remember earlier, I had recommended this stock after this round bottom formation. There were good chances of breakout. This is resistance that is between 1.72 to 1.77 area. This is a bullish chart pattern that is called cup and handle pattern. This area is cup and this is the handle of the chart pattern. Once we see a breakout of this zone, it means neckline of this chart pattern is broken and there are good chances of continuation to the upside. So where is the target of this chart pattern? Usually we measure the depth of this cup to the upside and place it exactly at the breakout area. This gives us a good idea or indication. Resistance is around 2.00. So on the way up you should book your first profits around the first resistance area that was at 1.90, which we did it. From here there are chances either it wants to come down for a correction or it wants to spike up again. This should be our area where we should book profits. With today's solid candle, there are chances either it may come down for a correction till about 1.83 to 1.85, or it may even continue its upside momentum. Overall, Apex is positive. That's the reason you should plan your entry right at the time of breakout so that you can catch the moves like this in the market. If this video was helpful, then please hit the like button. For more updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.